Okay, let's dive into this. Which of our jobs are actually going to survive the AI era?
The pace is dizzying right now. AI systems are literally building their own smarter successors at breakneck speed.
AI has staggering algorithmic capacity. It does years of complex cognitive work in minutes. It's totally wild. Now, what's really interesting about this anthropic data, it shows a massive displacement of cognitive jobs.
Look at that massive chunk. So many of our daily occupations can already be done by AI.
So the crucial point is this unexposed zone. These are the jobs completely safe from algorithms.
The safest sectors: grounds maintenance, food and serving, and personal care. And this brilliantly illustrates something beautiful. These aren't just rigid sectors. They're gardening, hospitality, and genuine care. We call these relational jobs. They're built entirely on physical connection and tending to each other. Let's see how this builds. It's raw algorithmic capacity versus true, lived human experience. AI can perfectly simulate empathy, right? But it totally lacks the biological wiring to actually feel it. That's why relational jobs survive. They demand genuine subjectivity, physical presence, and a lived reality. Think of AI as a digital mirror. It absorbs cognitive tasks, leaving just our irreplaceable core humanity. This points to the Great Turning, a hopeful idea where AI helps sustain life rather than extract it. So could losing those algorithmic jobs actually free us to become more connected, alive, and profoundly human?